Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would hop back on here and reintroduce myself and my family and take you along on a day in the life. So follow along and enjoy. Cheers. Here I'm just cutting up some pineapple and citrus because I have had a terrible cold / bronchitis for just about a month, and I'm just trying to do anything I can to get rid of it. Also, my daughter loves pineapple, so I'm cutting that up for her too. Come up here, honey. So we just boiled up some eggs, and we had extra cartons. We had too many eggs, so we boiled a whole carton, labeled it boiled, and we're gonna throw it in the fridge. I'm taking a video.
Like My Little Pony, like it's her little pony, My Little Pony.
Abby, do you want pineapple cut up, honey?
That's mine, that's mine. Daphne! Mommy, Daphne just switched sides. She just got off my neck and
Who wants a boiled egg?
not me. No. Well, I wish I knew.
You can eat it by yourself.
I have two. But I thought it came out yellow. Yeah, but like remember in the batter, how do you do this? In the
Here we're in Abigail's room, decorating her lovely dollhouse that was made by her Grammy and Papa. And we spend many hours playing in it. So I thought for the Christmas season we would have it decorated in lights, and it came out so cute. Now I'm taking you through her room, all cleaned up and organized a bit. This is in our new house, and I'm really loving it. So what are you doing in here? Okay. So now I'm outside working on some Etsy orders. I've got these grapevine wreaths, peace signs, pretty epic peace signs going out all over the country. And I've just been sawzawing and wrapping and screwing this wreath together. I thought I would show you the finished product. Pretty cool, pretty funky. This can go on a house, or some people like to put them indoors, but this one's really funky, and I think the funkier the better. Love it. So I've got 3, 4 of them going out for the Christmas season right now, and hopefully I'll get a few more orders next week. But anyway, I'm going to get this wrapped up and sent out, so I'll talk to you later. Thank you for staying tuned in our new YouTube video, and I hope you come back and join us next week. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a blessed day.
You're as cuddly as a cactus and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch.
Grampy. Mr. Grampy.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grampy. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. Oh, that one's fun.
Yeah, that one's the one.
I wish I wasn't sick because I sound like a dying crocodile.
A seasick crocodile.
I do.
Lunch.
Okay.
I like apples.
You like apples?
I like sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, big word.
I like bananas.
You like bananas?
Yes. I like pizza.
Oh, you like pizza.
I like cookies. I like cookies.
Very good, very good. Oh, yeah, Abby likes cookies.
I like milk. I like milk too.
I like chocolate milk better.
I like chocolate milk better too. I like lunch. I like lunch too.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, who doesn't? I can see.
Me too.
Oh, I can see.